Alright, so if you've been wondering how to make logos using pictures, for example, something like this, it's very easy and I'll show you every step involved, or rather, the basic steps involved, so that you have the exact idea and the foundational idea of how to do it, and then you can expand further on how to make it even better than the way it was. So firstly, you head on to pexels.com or any website where you know you can get photos for free. So I'm going to be doing something like this, and let's take this one. I kind of like it. So I don't want to go through the stress of having to use Photoshop to remove the background. So what I just do is I go to remove.bg. I kind of like this website very well, and I'll just drag this image, come over here and drop it, and they'll do the magic of cleaning it up for me. Sometimes it takes a while, other times it's quite short, depending on the image you're trying to remove. So there you have it, real clean. And what I'll do next is I'll download this. Next thing is I'll go to Adobe Illustrator and open a blank worksheet. Then I'll go to my File Explorer and I'll take the image and drop it on the Illustrator. Now the good thing about using the Remove BG is that the background of the image becomes blank. So for example, if I do something like this and I make this color, let's say this becomes green, right? And I put this directly above it, you can see that it doesn't affect it. So I'm going to use this particular one anyway. I'll put it right in the center, and we'll just put it like this and like this. So this is just alignment. Make sure your alignment is aligned to selection. At the top of the bar, you find it right there. Now I've actually placed the image inside the round background, and the only thing that's left is something like a name. So to make a name, I'll just draw a straight line, perhaps. Should be okay. Pardon me, I want to adjust this so it's just a straight line, and I want the line to have a little bit of curve to it. That should be okay. I'll make this black so I can find it. Now I want this line to be a bit beautiful. It can't just be an ordinary line. I want to have a banner. The Adobe Illustrator comes with things that makes it easy for you. So you click on this second drop down here and you say brushes, decoratives, and banners and stills. So you can see there's different banners to choose from. I specifically want to go with this. So I'll select my image, or rather my object, which is line. I'll select this. It's looking quite too thin, so I'll raise it up a bit. 2, 3, 3 is enough, but at 3 it's beginning to look a bit awkward. I'll stretch it up a little bit, yeah, and have it hanging on the It's its leg. So let's name this whole thing, put a name to it. It's quite simple. All you need to do is you grab the right icon and you, oh, I forgot, sorry, I'm supposed to duplicate that line. I don't just put it on the same line, you duplicate it. The second one, just simply convert it back to a straight line, right? So you don't get confused, make sure you lock the brush, the design, that's the decorative banner, and you take this other vector, place it directly on top of it, and you take your writing tool and you start to write on it. So let's call this Squirrel Village Incorporated. Let's just call it Inc. So it's not visible, it's too small. I need it to be visible. So I'll say probably 60. 60 is enough. Yeah, that's cool. So automatically, voila. So this is just the basics of making a logo using an image from the web, from your phone, from your laptop, from anywhere. You could just get it on, put it into Adobe Illustrator. You can make it something like this. And this is not like everything, it's just a foundation. You could go further to expand your knowledge. As you work using it, you figure out more things that you could do on Adobe Illustrator to make your logos far more beautiful, eye-catching, and representative as you want it to be. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe to the channel. Give it a thumbs up if you like this particular video. If there's something you want me to make, you can also leave it down in the comment below. And thank you all for watching. It's been Nicholas here, Chucksnicky. Catch you all on the next one. Bye for now.